Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a free day of Nitro with Discord's first activity quest. This quest is for the new Mission Impossible: The Final Reckoning movie, which is coming out very soon. And this is Discord's first activity quest they have ever done. Now, as of recording this video, I have no clue what this is actually about. All I know is that it is a game-related quest. So far we have regular quests where you play a game and you unlock progress, and we have quests where you just watch a video to get the whatever the quest gives. But this time we actually have an activity quest, which I'm going to assume is a built-in game on Discord that you play in order to win whatever it is. So for their very first activity quest, it will be for a day of Nitro, and it is a puzzle quest. Now, I have no idea what I'm getting into, but we're just going to basically do this live because I don't know what I'm actually doing right now. Okay, so once you click launch, it looks like it asks to get access to your Discord account. So you'll just click authorize here. Okay, and it looks like we are in the quest. I have never done this before. This is really interesting. Okay, so I guess we'll just click begin. You and 43,000 others started the mission. Okay, I don't know what we're doing, but we could see we could rotate this box around. We have a camera, instant camera. We have a photo. We have a gum packet, a key, a book. So to be honest, I actually have no idea what I'm doing right now, but we'll try and figure this out together. So we have hammer, we have a scalpel, we have a pen, we have, it looks like a code here. We have fingerprints on the knife. I could take it, okay? Grab the camera first. What if I turn this around? Okay, we got a little 8 of these to find. Intel micro root. I'm not sure what that was, but interesting enough. Submarine book. We have a note in it. We have a keyhole. Do I take the key? No, I guess not. What's in the gum pack? Oh, there's actually another one of these things. It looks like you collect titles too. Now, I think to get the actual Nitro, you only have to complete one of the tasks. But, nonetheless though, this is interesting. So, we're going to see what this is. What is this? Looks like we have a code. So, the thing is, I don't think there's actually a time limit. I think it just kind of counts and do it. You have to do it as fast as you can. I'm not sure where all these titles are being stored, by the way, but I mean, so far, I mean, it's like you're playing an actual game. Like this is actually really cool. Okay, oh, here you go. Here's another one of these things. I don't know what I'm actually looking for. Oh, you could zoom in. Oh my gosh, you could actually zoom in. That makes it a lot better. The 4 key focuses for technological advancement in modern submarines are speed, stealth, sensors, and survivability. Okay, so on this sticky note here, there's like a 1, 2, and 3. So, oh, there's a battery spot. Okay, so I need a battery. I also still have this knife, which I could drag in. And we have this page here, rabbit's foot. Is that the code here? Is it rabbit? I don't even think there's an R, actually. Deadly smile title. Okay, let's look at this. Clearance cipher. Is it like a crossword or something? Is there anything on the hammer here? There is another one of these little micro things, so we'll take that. Thing is, I don't know where they want us to get a battery from. There doesn't really seem to be anything on here. Oh, there's another one of these things here, so we'll grab that. 5 out of 8 of those. How do we take the key? I don't know how to use the key. Oh, I could use the knife on here. Okay, what's here? Is there a battery in here? Oh, here's the little key. Okay. So now we have a little key for the book here. So if I drag that in and open this, there's a battery. Okay, so now it's actually coming together. Took a little bit there. And now let's put the battery in here. Remember the instructions. I think it said battery and then, what did it say? Oh no, that's not the instructions. The instructions are here. Battery, then screenshot, then okay, so it's just telling you how to use a camera. So take a picture. Decoder sheet. So we have a decoder sheet. Now you can put it on here. ARHP6J. ARHP6J. Okay, there we go. Level 2 access. Wait, that was level 1? Discord quest complete. Mission unlocked. View intel. Exclusive intel. Okay, so as you can see, I just finished the first level of the activity, and we can see that I can now claim the free day of Nitro. Now, by the way, if you already have Nitro, this still works. Once you claim it, it just adds an extra day onto your billing cycle, so you just pay, you just pay the next day afterwards. So it just adds to your Nitro credit. And if you don't have Nitro, of course, it'll instantaneously unlock. So we'll click on Claim Reward. You will verify yourself, and it will give it and add it to your account. So for me, it gave me a Nitro credit for a day at Nitro, and it is now applied automatically to my account. Now, if you do want a video on me completing the entire Mission Impossible puzzle, please leave me a comment below if you do want to see that full video. And as well as, please subscribe. We are going for 2,000 subscribers. And once we hit 2,000 subscribers, I'll be giving away 3 months of Discord Nitro to 3 different winners. And once again, please like and share this video. And I will see you guys in the next Discord tutorial. Bye-bye.